Hi everybody, we're here with the garden spot today. I'm Tristan with the Killenly Public Library. We're going to do some container gardening. You can start your seeds in some takeout containers that you might have in your recycle bin. We put some little flowers from the lawn in here. Our next one is just a shoebox, and we put a little fairy house in here. We dug up some moss from the lawn. You could start seeds in here or just transplant some little flowers like that. And our next one is baby food containers, which are really nice for starting some seeds. We have plenty of baby food containers around our house. And here's a little dessert dish that we had, and that one comes with 2 little spots to plant. And then we have this one, which my daughter did. It's just an Easter basket, and we put a little plastic container inside, and then you can just put some dirt in there and pop some seeds in there too. So that's our garden spot for today, and we had Charlotte doing the camera work. Charlotte, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
And thanks for stopping by today. Have a good day. Bye.